Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage a password on Google Chrome. So maybe you want to autofill your username and password on certain or some websites. So you can manage it by click three dot at the top of corner of your screen and try to search the password and autofill. Now you can click Google Password Manager, and here you can use save password on any device, and here you can add save password will appear here. To import password to Google Password Manager on this device, you can select a CSV file. So here you can add for example the sites and your username and your password, and make sure you're saving your current password for this site. And this is for the check up, password checking up, and this is the settings like sign in automatically, over to save password and passkeys. When you visit some sites, Google will offer you to save the password and passkey if you turn this on. And here, use and save password and passkey from your Google account, or set up on device decryption, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.